In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Likee account. So for Android users, you want to go to the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, you want to head to the Apple App Store. And then you just want to search for Likee. That's the top search result. I'm going to tap on it, and you can see it's the third result here, Likee. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that, and you can see I have it installed already. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is going to take you to the popular page on the app. You want to go ahead and tap on your little avatar icon on the top left, and you can either log in with your Google account or the options listed below that, or you can go ahead and sign up or log in with your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on sign up. This is going to send a verification code to your mobile device. You want to go ahead and wait for that. The code has been sent and it's been auto-populated on my device. Now I want to set a password, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've entered in my password and I'm going to select done. Now you can select a profile image, which I won't do in this example, and you want to select a username, which is quite important. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Select your birth date. My birth date has been selected. I'm going to hit confirm, and you can select your gender and tap on next. Now I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. It's all up to you, and it's going to select 10 Likers selected for you, and I'm just going to tap on start. And now my Likee account has been created. If I tap on my avatar on the top left, you can see my profile. So that is how you create a Likee account. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.